After a mini cruise from London to Honfleur, I decided that to return home to London would try Air France rather than Eurostar this trip. And there's a chance to access the Air France lounge as well. Let's see how it goes. So normally to get to CDG, you take the RELB line. However, today is not running, so I have to take the bus 350 from Porte de la Chapelle, and after 45 minutes arrive at CDG Terminal 2. So when you arrive by bus, it delivers you to Terminal 2A, and then you have to walk through the Terminal 2C, then the TGV terminal, and then onto 2E. So when you walk between the terminals, there are these travelators. However, luggage carts cannot be carried onto the travelator. So today the RELB line is not working, but it looks like they're building a CDG Express direct from Gare de Est to Charles de Gaulle. So this is CDG Terminal 2E. You can get your VAT refund here. It's a very airy terminal. So after passport control and security, we got through to the departure lounge, and the VIP salon is this way. Let's go there. Let's have a tour of the Air France lounge. First of all, the reason I have access to the lounge is, well, the story is that Alitalia collapsed last year, and after they collapsed, and a new airlines, ITA Airways, was formed, and there was status matchings, elite flyers of other programs. I had the British Airways Executive Cup Gold status, and I was matched to SkyTeam Elite Plus on ITA Airways, and with that I was able to access this Air France lounge. Let's see what they have got. As you would expect from a French lounge, they have champagne, they have red wine, or French ones, as well as white wine. Let's check out the food as well. They have some chicken and they have rice. And lots of desserts, as well as yogurt. They have a coffee machine, they have the soft drinks and beer. Interestingly, they have cup noodles here. Let's see what's the champagne. So this is the champagne served by Air France lounge. Let's see how it is like. It's reasonable, but it's not very cold. So I'm gonna try some other wine. This one is a Chablis. And I think I'm gonna try this red wine as well. Chateau Villegny. Let me see how they taste like. It's the white wine. It's quite nice. Now let me try the red wine. It's quite full body and it tastes quite good as well. So it looks like the lounge have a second floor as well. Let's check out what it has got upstairs. It's good view outside, by the way. It looks like pretty much the same offering, but just more space and more seating. They also have a Karen's area, but today is closed. So overall, what do I think of the lounge? I think for home port lounge, I was expecting a little bit better. The food is reasonable, but it's not cooked to order, and the variety of food is not that much. There is champagne as expected, but apart from that, it is really quite ordinary. So after trying the lounge, it's time to get to the departure gate. It's K34. There's lots of shopping opportunities here, very glitzy shops. So walking to K34 now. This part of the terminal is really nice. It's really airy and lots of seats. Ready to kick off. Back to London now, and this is the U shape of the Thames. Just a couple of days ago, it took an hour to sail through that part of the Thames. So that's Twickenham, and we are about to land at Heathrow. So the plane has safely landed at sunny London, Heathrow, and we'll end this video here. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. See you next time.